Hello and welcome to this first lecture on this new topic of adopting scalable cloud and AI solution. So in this particular section, we will take you through how to adopt scalable cloud and AI solutions. And we will begin by talking about how to leverage cloud computing for speed and efficiency. So let's first understand that leveraging cloud computing for speed and efficiency is useful for adopting scalable cloud and AI solutions that can help automate and scale analytics workflow. Now, how to leverage cloud computing for speed and efficiency? Before we take a look at various things that you can do, let's understand that cloud computing is revolutionizing the way businesses, store, process, and analyze data by providing scalable on-demand resources, right? Now, by adopting cloud and AI solutions, companies can boost efficiency, reduce cost, and enhance performance in data analytics. Now, in this remaining part of the lecture, we will talk about what are the benefits that of the cloud computing, how to build a scalable cloud infrastructure, what are the best cloud platforms for speed and efficiency, how to use power AI powered cloud services, and we will look at few real world use cases, right? So let's take a look at the steps that we can take to leverage cloud computing for speed and efficiency. Right, let's do that. So first step is to understand, the benefits of cloud computing based analytics in AI, and that can help us understand why use cloud computing for speed and efficiency. So what are the key benefits? First is scalability. You know, you can handle increasing workloads without additional hardware using the cloud-based analytics. Second is cost efficiency. You pay for only what you use uh, through serverless computing. Then you access high-performing processing power instantly. Then you streamline data ingestion and analytics through real-time data processing. And you can automate decision making with cloud AI tools using AI and machine learning integration. And you have built-in encryption, access control, and regulatory compliance for security and compliance. How would a financial services company, benefit from this? A financial services company would use the fraud detection system from the cloud, and they would move their current fraud detection system to the cloud, and that would reduce response time from 30 minutes to real time by using serverless computing and AI powered risk models. So these are the benefits of cloud computing. Now, the second step, once we understand the benefit, the second step would be to choose the right cloud computing infrastructure. There are broadly three major cloud models for deploying scalable analytics and AI solutions. The first one is public cloud, which is best for cost and scalability. There are providers there, well known providers like AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and it is best for businesses needing on demand cloud power, computing power for AI, big data, and analytics. The second is a private cloud, is best for security and customization. And there the providers are like VMware, OpenStack, IBM Cloud Private, and it is useful for organizations handling sensitive data, right? Healthcare and banking that require full control over the infrastructure. The third is the hybrid cloud, which is best for flexibility and performance. It's a combination of public and private cloud, and it is useful for companies that need on-premises control with cloud scalability, like retail and telecom. An example of that would be a retail company would run real-time inventory analytics on Google Cloud while keeping customer transaction data on a private cloud for security compliance. So that will be example of a hybrid cloud model being used by a retail company. Third step would be to, find what are the best tools for cloud computing services for speed and efficiency. What are these services? So there is for to compute power for AI and big data, you have AWS EC2 and Lambda, which is scalable virtual machine for serverless computing. Then there's a Google Cloud Compute Engine, which offers high-speed computing for analytics workload. And there are Azure virtual machines, which provide AI-driven performance optimization. For data storage and warehousing, you have Google BigQuery, which offers high-speed SQL-based analytics, AWS S3 and Redshift, which offers scalable storage and cloud data warehouse. And then there is Azure Synapse Analytics that provides real-time data analytics and AI. For AI and machine learning in cloud, you have Google Vertex AI, which is a pre-trained ML model and on auto machine learning. There is AWS SageMaker for scalable AI training and deployment. And then there is Azure ML Studio for end-to-end AI workflow automation. What would a marketing agency use? Let's take a look at an example. A marketing agency would use AWS Lambda to run AI-driven customer sentiment analysis in real time. And that would reduce the processing time from an hour to seconds, right? So that's how you select the best cloud computing services for speed and efficiency. The fourth step would be to automate cloud-based workflows and how to automate cloud-based workflows for faster analytics. So you can use serverless computing, AWS Lambda, Google Cloud Functions for event-driven automation. You can implement data pipelines, Apache Workflow, AWS Step Functions for ETL automations, and you can adopt Kubernetes and Docker for running scalable AI models. To give you an example, a telecom company would automate real-time customer churn prediction using Google Cloud Functions and BigQuery ML. And that would reduce the customer retention cost by 20%. Not small, right? The fifth step would be to use AI to enhance cloud performance. And what are the solutions, AI-powered cloud solution for businesses? You could use Auto ML and AI APIs where you can train AI models without coding. You could do predictive analytics for insights for business decisions. You could have AI for cloud optimization. For example, Google Cloud's AI powered performance tuning. And you have AI chatbots and virtual assistants like AWS Lex, Google Dialogflow, etc., etc. What would a customer support team use? A customer support team would use AI-powered chatbots using Google Dialogflow to automate 70% of the customer queries, cutting response time from 2 hours to just under 5 minutes. So let's summarize the steps that you can take to adopt scalable cloud and AI solutions. So first thing is, let's understand that cloud computing enhances speed, scalability, and efficiency. And the first step of that is to choose the right cloud model between public, private, and hybrid. Then use AI-powered cloud services on that platform for automation and decision making. Automate data workflows using serverless computing and AI, and leverage cloud storage and data warehouse for real-time analytics. So what do we do next? So having looked at how to leverage cloud computing for efficiency and speed, we will now look at how to implement AI-driven analytics for deeper insights. That we will do in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on adopting scalable cloud and AI solutions in this course, Data Analysis and Analytics. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.